Brad Norman here with Ironclad Painting, your friend in the painting business. So we're here today at one of the new projects we've got coming up. We'll be on it in the next few weeks. And I wanted to talk to you a little bit about why it's so important to make sure that your contractor has general liability insurance and workers' comp insurance. So what do those things mean? What do they mean for you, the homeowner, the customer? So general liability insurance, that's going to cover any kind of property damage or anything that could occur due to a negligent mistake. So let's say a contractor is on your job and they do something that causes your house to burn or anything like that. So as long as they've got a general liability policy, that general liability policy is going to cover to put your house back together, okay? It also covers any kind of theft of equipment or something. So let's say your contractor comes to your project, he's on your project, he doesn't have insurance, and for whatever reason, some of his equipment gets stolen. He could possibly file that on your homeowner's insurance. So that's something you don't want to happen. Another good thing about a contractor having insurance is you can feel pretty safe that they're just not going to leave your project mid-contract, mid-project, and which I hear a lot of that happening nowadays. But typically contractors that do have insurance and have it in place, they're pretty upstanding and they're not going to run out on you. And last but not least, for general liability, if there is a claim for personal injury or property damage, it could cover legal fees, court costs, and attorney fees and stuff during the proceedings of that, so that you're not having to pay for that to protect yourself. Workers' compensation insurance, that's going to cover anything that may happen to a worker while they're on your project. Because if a guy's worker gets hurt while he's on your project, he could possibly file that on your homeowners. But as long as you've got workers' compensation, or the contractor has workers' compensation, then he's going to be taken care of. And also, something a lot of people don't realize about workers' comp is it also covers illness due to things. So let's say that 10 years down the road, so your project had asbestos or lead-based paint or something on it, that 10 years down the road caused somebody an illness, workers' compensation covers that. So those are the reasons you want to make sure that your contractors always have insurance, have the right insurances in place, and you want copies of those things so that if there is an issue, you can file a claim. Also know that insurance costs them money, so their prices may be a little higher than what, I say, like in the painting business, I say our competition is two guys in a pickup. So our prices are a little higher than two guys in a pickup, but we have those insurance coverages that are going to cover you. We're not going to run out in you. We're here for the long haul. And those guys, if something happens, they could just close up shop, go change their name, and be operating under a different name tomorrow. So remember to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and go check out our website at ironcladpainting.com. Have a great one.